But let me be very clear on this. There are some who are the floor loaders and the pedantic in the government. You know, the bells are returned, and it was really because of the fervent prayers of the entire Filipino nation. Nobody can claim a singular credit for the generous act of the Americans. The bells are returned. The credit goes to the American people and to the Filipino people. Period.